blame it on alcohol. Blame it on yourself, niggas. Alright? Take the blame for yourself. Take actions and repercussions. It's on you. Alright? White show. Anybody like to blame it on the alcohol, you know? Oh, you didn't want to fuck me then. You know, now the alcohol got you all loosey and goosey and oh, I didn't want to fuck me and you fucked me. Whose fault was it? It wasn't my fault. It was the liquor. Oh, I had too much liquor. Oh, yeah, right. It was you. You chose to drink that motherfucker. That Ciroc, that Henny, that man, Scotch, Jack Daniels. You chose to do that shit. You chose to drink. So your pussy wanted to fuck my dick. So it was your fault. It's not the liquor. The liquor didn't slap you in the face and say, hey, fuck that nigga. No. You did it. So you motherfuckers, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I fucked that fat bitch. Yeah, my nigga. My dude, I did it. It wasn't my fault. It was the alcohol. Nigga, it was you. So don't blame the alcohol. Don't blame Jimmy Fox. Blame yourself, niggas. When I fuck bitches, it's because, not of the alcohol, because of me, my swag, my charm. Yeah, I'm Mr. Wide. Mr. Wide. But it was the liquor, though. All right? Peace.